Hi, I'm Brenda Chambers. I'm a realtor here in Southwest Florida.
Hi, my name is Jay Vukel. I work for Gardner.
Yeah, I've been coming here for a couple years, and
Just moving down here, it was difficult to find a good auto repair shop.
I would take my car to the dealership, and even though under warranty, you still find that you're paying much more than you should have paid.
I ended up stumbling across lead transmission, and God bless. Came down here the first time, and they took real good care of me.
They're Christian, and I come from Christian experience.
Will and the rest of the crew here really helped me out, took care of me, gave me a great fair price.
I never feel like I'm overcharged for anything.
Now I can get on my way and get back to work.
I absolutely love Will and the crew here, and I appreciate the information that I get from them. Would definitely recommend them, hands down.
Really appreciate the quick service and taking me in and taking care of me. Appreciate it, guys.
I'm good, right? See? Yeah. You don't have any more questions, do you? You know?